Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you yet another Vue.js pagination package which is called as vuejs-paginate-next. So with the help of this we will make a very simple app where we fetch the data from a REST API which is JSON placeholder API, and we display 10 posts per page. So we will see these pagination controls right here. We are on the first page. We are showing 10 posts. We can navigate to the second page, fourth page, previous page, next page. All these pagination controls I will show. So I have given all the source code in the description of this video. So what source code I will use. So now to get started, you need to install this module. So simply execute this command and it's almost got 5,000 weekly downloads. So now to get started, we will inside our Vue file, which is app.vue, we will start writing the code. So first of all, as you all know, Vue.js components comprise of three things. First of all, your script code, and we will be using TypeScript for this. So the language here will be not JavaScript, which is TypeScript, which is a superset of JavaScript. So for this, we just need to first of all import the reference on mounted and computed. So all this will be coming from the base Vue package, and for this we also need the Axios package as well, so you need to import that as well. And then we'll be importing this actual component paginate, which will be coming from Vue.js paginate-next. So now we need to declare some variables. So these variables will be for, if you see, number of posts, which will be an array here. If you load the application, we'll be storing these posts which will be fetching from the API. We have declared post here. Then we have the current page, which will be number 1, and items per page. We are displaying 10 items per page. So we have declared these three variables. Now we come to the template part. So we declare the template. So inside the template you will actually have an unordered list, and inside this list tag we will use a v for loop, and we will loop through this paginate post. This will be coming from, so here we'll be having the title and the body of the post. So first of all we need to fetch data from the API, and then we need to paginate that. So we will first of all basically call this on mounted function, and whenever Vue.js application, we will fetch the data, and for this we have binded this function which is useful for fetching the data from that API. So essentially this function will be responsible. We are here using Axios to fetch data. So it's a very simple fetch call to JSON placeholder API. So this returns the actual value, and we are putting the response here, which is post.value. So we have declared, just move these three variables that we declared. So we are storing the post here, which are coming in this variable. Now we need to create this paginated post. So this is also will be a computed property. It's not a function, it's a computed property in Vue.js. So which will be computing this paginated post for every page in the pagination. So if you are on the first page, then it will only get the first 10 posts. So for this we are using the slice function of JavaScript to only return the first 10 posts, and then if you go to the second page, the next 10 posts will be there. So this property is responsible for that. So if you refresh your application, you will see the first 10 posts will be there. So if I change this value, let's suppose I only want 2 posts, now you only see 2 posts appearing. So in this way you can implement pagination. Let me change it to 5 posts per page. And now to show those pagination controls, just after this unordered list, we show the component which is paginate, and it actually takes some parameters. which we need to pass, which is page count. So here we'll be calculating the total number of pages by dividing the number of post items per page. So if you want to show, let's suppose total 100 posts are there, so you'll divide this by the total items that you want to show per page, which is 10 or 5. So then it will give you the total number of pages for the pagination, and then we'll be also be binding and click handler. So whenever you click on an individual page, you will bind this function handle page change. And then we'll also be having the previous button, so you'll simply say previous next. You can even give it a custom class to this pagination. So we will have all these attributes. So now we just need to define this handle page change. So whenever you click on a particular page number in the pagination, so we just need to set it to the current page in this. So we have this variable current page, initial value is 1, but when we click to any page number, we are setting this current page to whatever page number it's passed. So now I think you will see the page numbers appearing. If you see, this is previous, here on the first page. If you click second, the page numbers will appear. A total of 20 pages are there. On each page we are showing 5 posts. If you want to style it, you can add CSS code. I have given the full source code. So you can add this style tag and just add these CSS styles to style your pagination. So once you add this, you will see, if you refresh, it will look something like this. So nice little pagination controls are there, you will see that. So previous next buttons are also there. So you can use this package very easily inside Vue 3. I have given all the source code in the description of this video. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do visit my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.